Kamusta kayo mga tol? Welcome back sa aking channel. For today's vlog, ito po yung day 2 na tour namin dito sa South Korea. Narito po kami sa Samyuk University. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming day 2 tour dito po sa South Korea. Kaway-kaway heart. Yun, no?
기념관입니다.
So behind of you, that's a celebration hall for 100 years.
현재 저희가 119년 됐거든요.
Now this year is 119th of year.
Mga tol, ito po ay isa sa mga university namin dito sa Samyuk, South Korea. Isa po sa institution ng Seventh-day Adventist. At kami po ay itutour ng aming tour guide. Dito kami mga tol sa Baechang Hyun Hall. Magkakaroon kami ng parang unting orientation, seminar, or lecture. Ito yung mga kasamahan ko mga tol.
Chairman ko yan.
Napansin ko dito mga tol, pagdating sa mga gamit, mga furniture ay talagang pulido, maganda yung mga gamit nila. Katulad na lang ng upuan namin dito
Ay
ngayon.
talagang napakahusay.
Parang nasa sinihan ka, pero
Ayan ay mahusay ang kartada.
ito ay parang room lang nila ng school. Pero parang nasa sinihan ka na.
Mahusay.
Ipapakita ko yung screen nila. Kumbaga sa school natin sa Philippines ay whiteboard. Minsan di ba may flat screen tayo pero hindi ganun kalaki. Pero yung screen nila dito mga tol, dito sa room nila ay malaki. Tingnan nyo mga tol.
We recontemplate the meaning of education in this fast-changing world. We rethink the raison d'etre of the university in this time of uncertainty. We relearn that education must be human-oriented and that history must go on, leading to a sustainable future with human-centric, creative convergence education. Samyuk University. Samyuk education is all about humankind. From admission to graduation, students receive comprehensive character education. Take part in socially contributing projects, growing into truthful and loving local servants. Our liberal arts education cultivates intellectuals with sound character and rich cultural literacy. Our major courses raise creative intellectuals, rich in expert knowledge and practical skills. Our non-degree courses develop servants filled with a sense of global citizenship. And the BFFL education model produces well-rounded, well-balanced people. In short, we endeavor to realize the philosophy of human-centric education. We shape the future with creative convergence. In the era of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, we create new value by converging ICT and health science. We raise experts in both software and health science to form healthier local communities. The convergence of biomedicine and eco is another way we will create new value. The future growth generator of our society lies in the convergence of creative universities and innovative companies. By enhancing research competence for practical studies and building an industry-university cooperation network, we achieve shared growth at a global level. We also spare no effort in establishing an environment for creative convergence education. Smart PBL classrooms for active discussions, a library with open learning spaces, our dormitories where creative and self-directed community education is realized, and the Physical Education Cultural Center for cultivation of body and mind will reflect our firm belief in creative convergence education. We know that it is our 117-year-long history of university education that leads us to be able to form a sustainable future. Our core value of endeavoring to be a world-changing university through life-changing education, with our always innovating can-do spirit, has formed us today and will continue to lead us to tomorrow. We leap forward into the world for a sustainable future, funding ambitious students to study at our sister universities around the globe with no financial burden, providing intensive training to prospective graduates who seek to work overseas, and we are repeatedly reborn, from skill-centric to human-centric, to paradigm-shifting novel views and ideas, and with a greater sense of responsibility for the future of humanity, we open a sustainable future with human-centric creative convergence. We are Samyuk University.
Mga tol, tingnan nyo yung pulpit nila. High-tech na rin, no? Patungan ng laptop. Ayan. So, dito na yung mga pindutan nila para doon sa kanilang screen. Sa atin, mga ano pa eh. Kahoy pa eh, di ba? Dito sa kanila, high-tech na. So, ayan, no? So, ayos. Mga tol, meron kaming souvenir dito.
1층 일단 내려가시죠.
Ayos, oh. Get only one? Thank you. Thank you. Mga tol, ito yung library ng Samyuk University. Mga tol, ito yung kanilang computer room. Ito mga tol ay isang chapel at dito isinasagawa yung mga activities ng university, lalo na pag may chapel period yung mga estudyante every week. Go. Pero parang sinihan na, di ba?
Sir, area 3 ba, sir?
O, di ba? Sa Pilipinas, parang sinihan na to. Pero mas malaki pa sa sinihan. Ayan, no? Sinusulit ng mga kasama ko yung mga moment na to. Kaway naman, vlog to. Vlog yan. Oo, yun, no?
Hello!
Mayroon ka bang babatian, Pastor? Baka mapanood nila.
Pinabati ko ang buong Area 3 pastors and their family. Sana makasama kayo dito.
Yun, no? Dali mo sila dito, Pastor, no?
Kailangan na yata, iPhone na.
Lawak mga tol, oh. Meron pa dun sa taas.
Oh, everyone muna tayo, everyone.
Shaya! Nahiya si Shaya. Shaya, say hi! Shaya! Nahiya siya. Ito po yung kasama namin baby, anak ng aming isa sa mga pastor namin. Ayun, oh. Shaya! Nahiya siya. So ito mga tol, yung Samyuk University Church of Seventh-day Adventist. So ito na yung cafeteria mga tol ng Samyuk University. At dito kami magla-lunch. Ito si Pastor Matira. Ito yung aking chairman.
Best.
Pastor, baka may gusto kang batiin sa mga...
Binabati ko po ang mga nagulot ko ngayon, mga taga-Philippines. Antayin niyo ang aming pagbabalik.
Ayun. Mga tol, kain muna tayo. Right. Mga tol, ito yung Korean Union Conference of Seventh-day Adventists. Yun.
Okay. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Conference. The Korean Mission Conference, Korean Union Conference is made up of 5 conferences and 1 mission. So, first East Central Korean Conference, West Central Korean Conference, Southeast Korean Conference, Middle East Korean Conference, Southeast Korean Conference, and Jeju Mission.
Yes. Dual purpose.
Bibigyan pa kami ng payong mga tol.
Okay.
Souvenir. Souvenir daw mga tol sa amin. Ayos.
Ang paghihirap sa init.
Kukunin namin mga tol yung libreng or souvenir ng
Lang mga paayos.
Korea.
Totol.
Salamat po.
Ito yung pinaka-history ng Korean Union Conference. Ayan. Okay. Parang president ata nila to. Mga naging president nila. So, ito mga tol yung opisina ng presidente dito ng Korean Union Conference. Ayan.
Secretary.
Ito yung opisina nila. Okay, ganda.
Pa-picture lang tayo.
Mga tol, ito na yung pinaka-function hall din ng Korean Union Conference. So, ayun o, welcome kami. Central Zone Conference, welcome. Ayan, galing. So, laki din ha. Parang sinihan din. Mga tol, ito yung Korean Publishing House. At sa Pilipinas, meron din Philippine Publishing House naman. Nasa Silang Cavite. So, mga tol, ito yung Children and Youth Vision Center. Nasa gitna, oh. Gitna. Pasok tayo. Oh. Automatic yung door nila. Push button. Okay. Okay.
Vision Center, and this building is only for children and youth ministry. So we have 5 floors, and the bottom side of the floor is for the 5th auditorium. So we go there.
Mga tol, ito yung Samyuk Medical Center ng Seventh-day Adventist. Let's go mga tol. Pasukin natin. Yung okay. Mga tol, dito in grande o grabe yung kanilang pagbuburol ng mga patay. Sa dami ba naman ng bulaklak dito mga tol. Kala mo nagtitinda ng ano sila ng bulaklak, pero may burol yung patay nila. Grabe, daming ano, daming bulaklak. Ito mga tol yung hospital. Kanina yung pinasukan natin sa baba. Doon sa ilalim nun ay funeral homes. So dito sa taas yung hospital. Parang under reconstruction siya. So pupuntahan natin ang Seventh-day Adventist Hospital dito sa Korea, South Korea. Ayun mga tol, oh. Wini-welcome kami. Oh, thank you, Central Zone Conference.
Passionate heart meet together, Samyuk Medical Center. So, the dynamic capital of South Korea is in the midst of rapid changes in disease trends and the colossal wave of the 4th Industrial Revolution. Samyuk Medical Center stands as a steadfast guardian of the nation's health and happiness, surpassing a century and still going strong today, offering warm care and dedication every day of the year. With 28 departments, 418 beds, and over 1,000 professionals, we are tirelessly combating the ever-changing disease trends through bold investments in the latest medical equipment and the development of advanced medical systems. We are actively responding to rapidly changing diseases. Keeping pace with the fourth industrial revolution, we are advancing.
Itutur kami dito sa loob ng hospital, ng Samyuk Medical Hospital. So, ito na yung parang reception, cashier, yung mga bayaran ng bills, at dito na yan. So, magandahan dito mga tulong. Sa loob ng hospital, meron ng mga pwedeng bilihan ng donut, katulad yun, no? Meron tayong Dunkin Donuts dito. Tapos parang meron silang drugstore. Okay.
Kung kailangan nyo ng mga educational content para sa inyong mga anak, subscribe nyo na rin to mga tol. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.